Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Coffee grinder, Wancle electric coffee grinder, spice grinder, one-touch coffee mill for beans, spices, and more, with clean brush black. A secret to grind bean effortlessly grinder comes with a pure copper motor and stainless steel blade. Easily observe the grinding situation by a transparent lid, extract the perfect flavor from beans. Let you enjoy great coffee in a few seconds. White heavy checkmark coarse or fine by your finger pour in up to 60 g beans, put the lid on, press the control button, the grinding starts. Release the button, the grinding stops. Easy one-button operation of the grinder achieves you to get the desired coffee powders. White heavy checkmark rich aroma and fresh flavor pure copper motor, stainless steel blade and bowl, meaning beans won't be burnt during grinding, and maintain a precise and consistent uniform grind. Let you enjoy the rich aroma and fresh flavor. White heavy checkmark save your precious counter space. Wancle coffee grinder offering a wide range of abilities. Excellent stainless steel blade chops ingredients through rapid spinning, so it not only works well with coffee beans, but also works spice, seed, nut, herb. Thanks for watching and subscribe.